made. Yeah, that's fine.
That's why we need two. That's why I do the way I do it. Female. Hi. This year's juvenile.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it is. This year's juvenile. Yes, you're skinny. You want to bite me. Vicious. You're biting your own self.
Okay. As long as I have something in my beak, I'm happy, right?
Yeah, there you go. Okay. Well, shall we give you some dinner? Should we do that?
Okay, fine. I will.
Yeah.
Force me. Go ahead.
Yeah. We will force you. That's kind of part of the game here. But other than that, it doesn't look like it's injured. Just this year's young.
Oh yeah, just the other thing I wondered is whether or not it had a concussion, but it's hard to tell. Their eyes are so dark.
Their eyes are dark. It's really hard to see.
Because when I first picked it up, it was just standing up with its head in the dirt.
Yeah. It's really hard. It's really hard to see.
Skinny.
Very skinny. Okay, we'll get some food in him.
Okay.
See what we can do. See if I can get him to take a mouse. See. Yeah, you're gonna fight with me, aren't you? That's okay. Probably shouldn't. Take that down, sweetheart. Just skinny. Okay, I'll put him out and see if he'll. So I've got a barn owl that's in a chamber. Probably the doves. So I got to catch the barn owl, move it to a different chamber, and then put the Cooper's hawk in this chamber. Barn owl is really active. The barn owl's about ready to go, so we're excited about that. Let's see if I can get in here real quick and get this barn owl. Okay. Hey, little barn owl, we got you. Yes, we do. We got you, huh? Oh, baby. There we go. Got my pretty little barn owl. Such a pretty thing.
Can't see through the screen, but you're still unnetting it.
Yeah, still knitted it. I got it. Hi, baby. How you doing, huh? Get you out. Turn loose here. There we go. Okay. Here's our little barn owl, and it's basically, it came in starving to death. Again, another youngster that is just this year's juvenile. And it's pretty close to ready to go back to the wild. So we're excited about that, maybe in the next week or two. But we need to get this one for the Cooper's hawk, so we need to put you in a different one. My pretty little barn owl.
You've still got a red tail here? Still
got the red tail here, and still got a Ferrucci's hawk here as well. So come on this way, we're gonna shift things around a little bit. Okay, this will be your new home for the next week or so. There you go, sweetie.
Oops. Oh, he's in there. Flying around, but you can't see.
Yep. But she can.
She can see just fine.
Yeah, she can see just fine. So she's up on a perch. She can go up to that upper, I got an upper perch for her and a couple middle perches. So this is good for her.
Okay.
Okay, we've got Mr. Robin and Mr. Finch. They're just about big enough to go out to the flight chamber for them. Hi guys.
Let's go get that owl.
Let's go get the barn owl. We're going to release an owl this evening. It's a beautiful evening. Okay, well, we're out at Rush Lake Ranch. This is a great place, and why don't you just pan around so people can see. We've got the old Pioneer Farm. This is an old agricultural area. We've got some fields. We've got some big old cottonwood trees. This is just an ideal place to release the barn owl. There's lots and lots of rodents out here for them, and we've got just a gorgeous sunset with a little bit of a light breeze, and so we couldn't have asked for a better day or better evening to release a barn owl back to the wild. And these old barns and buildings, it's a great place for the owl to go and hide out in, since they're old and abandoned and it's private property and they don't have no trespassing signs up. And I'm allowed to go in here, but the owners don't like strangers going onto the property. So it's a nice, safe place for them. And so why don't we, as soon as this car's passed, let's go ahead and grab that owl.
Highway's getting busier and busier.
Yes. Okay. Our little friend here is not going to be happy. Hi, sweetie. How's my pretty owl? Yes, you are. Oh, yeah, you go attack it. You are. Okay. My baby. Isn't that wonderful?
He doesn't think so.
I got you. Like the glove, how's your heart? Oh, it's so terrible. I'm the worst person in the world. Yes, I am. I know it. Yes, and you're ready, huh?
Gonna walk over closer to the fence.
Yeah, we're gonna go over toward the fence.
See if I can adjust this. Okay. Let's see where I'm walking for a minute.
A far, far cry from this little one that was lethargic and skinny and could hardly stand up, and nice and feisty and ready and raring to go. So yes, my little friend, you get to go home.
Goodbye.
Want to say goodbye, Lennon?
Goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
See you later.
Okay.
Go to fly good.
She's looking at you. Okay, sweetie. You ready? Go on.
She's going to find a great place to hide until she finds some nice to eat. Good now.
Go over to the old barn and perfect. Right where she needs to be.
I don't either.
Well, that's a good successful release. She's up on the old barn.
Yeah.
She can go inside of there to get shade. She can go in the old house to get shade. There's lots and lots and lots of small rodents out here for her. And so, hey, we did it. Another release.
Yay!
Another critter back in the wild.
Pretty evening.
So, yeah, it's couldn't be a nicer evening. A little bit of clouds, beautiful sunset. So,
It was a good place to look for the bald eagles in the wintertime.
yes, and that's actually something we should point out. If you come to Cedar City here in the wintertime, this is called Rush Lake Ranch, and those cottonwood trees, I've had as many as 46, 48 bald eagles sit in those trees in one time. Usually you have a half a dozen or more. And so they like to roost here in these trees in the evening times. So if you come out here and get to do a little eagle watching in the wintertime to see our bald eagles. But right now the bald eagles are up north, and so they're not here. So we can certainly release our barn owl and give her a good opportunity. So everybody, thank you very much for joining us for the owl release, and from Susan and I and my daughter Vicky and my grandson Lennon. Thanks, guys.
Hey,
And
Lennon.
Lennon,
Wanna
say
say
hi
hi?
to everybody.